welcome to Stamford, Connecticut. My name is Kimberly Tapscott. I'm an associate partner with the Keller Williams Prestige Properties Group. Today, I will be providing you with an overview of the city of Stamford. Some think of Stamford as an affordable suburb of New York City. We're only a 45-minute commute outside of Manhattan. Others think of Stamford as a wonderful place to raise a family and enjoy a relaxing quality of life. Stamford is known as the city that works, and that's all true. However, I think of Stamford as my home. Born and raised in Stamford, I'm a realtor licensed here in Connecticut and would like to introduce you to the quality of life found in my hometown. Downtown Stamford is a busy cosmopolitan center teeming with successful enterprises and cultural experiences. It's home to many corporate offices and headquarters. We have General Electric, Pitney Bowes, Thompson Corporation, and the World Wrestling Federation, just to name a few. The global headquarters of the Royal Bank of Scotland and UBS's trading floor here holds the Guinness World Record for the largest columnless trading floor in the world. The city maintains a New England charm despite its built-up downtown. The pastoral meadows of North Stamford, downtown high-rises, and panoramic views of Long Island Sound from our waterfront communities of Chapin Point and Dolphin Cove Quay are the captivating backdrops for a wealth of home styles, including elegant contemporary sprawling ranches, traditional colonials, and deluxe luxury condominiums. We have the Stamford Nature Center and Farm, 2 ice skating rinks and hockey rinks, and multiple beaches to provide a wonderful recreation endeavor for anyone who visits us. Our excellent road system and proximity to I-95 and the Merritt Parkway facilitate travel within Stamford and the outlying areas of Fairfield County. We also have 3 stops for Metro North train station, for the railroad for commuters going in and out of town, and Connecticut Transit's bus system offers convenient bus services to get residents and visitors around. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for even more videos on real estate from me, Kimberly Tapscott, your realtor of Fairfield County, Connecticut. If you have any questions about our area, please contact me at kimberlytapscott@kw.com. Thank you.